Hi there, sweet friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen, and today I want to welcome you to my home here. We're going to be decorating my front porch for the autumn season. And so my husband went ahead and he did put up my corn stalks for me, but it is quite a mess. We need to clean off the front porch and the furniture. And the things that I pulled out from my basement that I like to decorate my front porch with are pillows, throws, lanterns, flameless candles. Of course, I like some faux and real mums. I even have some faux stems we're going to try to stick in somewhere. And what else did I have? Oh, of course, you need some pumpkins, right? So we're going to go ahead. I really don't know. Normally, I have an idea of what I want it to look like. I have no idea today. We're going to wing it. So we'll just see how it turns out, but I'm sure it will turn out perfect, and I'm sure it will be beautiful and festive for the autumn season. But the biggest factor for me is I wanted to have that welcome to my home, welcome to the autumn season, and know that when they step inside my house as well, because if you already seen my house decorated for the autumn season, it says welcome. Come on in, let's get cozy and have a great time together making memories. And that's how I want every event to be when my friends and family walk into our home. So welcome, let's go ahead and start decorating my front porch for the autumn season. So we did have our grandbabies here this weekend, and as you can imagine, all the lovely fingerprints. I almost hate to clean them off because I just love seeing them. But they always wanted to help take Archie out, so they had their little hands on the glass, and it is just so hard when I see their little prints no longer here, but it's okay. I gotta do the inside because I feel like that's where they're really bad. I don't have the room that I had last year, only for the mere fact that I've got this beautiful new rocker here and it takes up space, but I have to say I love it. So it's gonna have to be right here. That's okay. I want enough room. I'm not knocking myself into the corn stalk, which I may be able to pull it back just a little bit. Yeah, that's probably good. Move these out of the way. So I think what I'm gonna do, again, I have the vision for, I've got some real mums and faux mums. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put maybe a table right here with, I don't know, I might build down like I did last year. I'm just not sure. We're gonna go ahead and just wing it. As you can see, my assistant always helping mommy out. I do have a rug that I picked up. I think I'm gonna throw that down with my pumpkin mat. Actually, I got this recently at Aldi. They had so many, many pretty rugs. Let's add a little color here. So I went with these little mini bales of straw this year because I don't have room for big ones. But my vision is maybe right here, putting another lantern with a flameless candle. This has always been one of my favorite throws that I've used inside, but I've used it inside for so many years. I think I can put it out here for a change. I don't think I used it last year. I love it. It's so pretty. And then my vision here is to do a little topiary. We've got this little pumpkin. I love this green, and then a yellow one on top. I love that. I like this yellow one, but I did buy these recently, and I don't know, for some reason, I'm thinking I might want orange here. So I got these, and I'll link them for you. So I'm just going to stick these in. And I always save any kind of styrofoam that I have because you never know when you need it, like in this instance. I don't know, for some reason I was just visioning a pop of orange here. Now I'm gonna have to find something to do with the yellow ones, but I'm sure I will find a home for those. Keep some a little higher. Gosh, I hope I have enough. And this was actually, friends, this was one order, like one whole set, which I thought was fantastic. Trying to keep the ones in the center just a little bit higher. I think it's going to be the perfect amount. I think they know. Oh my gosh. These have been out in the sun for a bit here on my front porch, and I have to say, they're hot. Of course, I picked the one day to decorate when it's actually chilly. Not like, I mean, when it's really warm, not like last week when it was the perfect fall weather. Okay, let me stand up and I'm just going to see where I should put these last two. Wow, that looks great. Let's check it out. Love to have pillows with, I just have some covers on top to change them seasonally. I like that. I'm thinking of maybe adding some large stems to this, maybe to have something coming up top. Let's see what it looks like. And now we're going to finish it off with my wreath, which I already have some twine that my husband put on the inside. And what I do is just, sometimes when you use a gold, those wreath hangers, it just sort of marks up the door. So we're choosing to go this route, and it seems to be working well the last couple of seasons. So I'll just put it where I think I want it. It's probably about right here. And then I'll go ahead and tie. I'll cut the string here. But I think that's tying it all together so beautifully. Let's take a look. I think I need to fluff up the left side there just a little bit more, or maybe I have it hanging wrong. All right, we're gonna play around with the wreath, and I'm gonna show you how it all came together here from the viewpoint of my walkway, and then maybe on my next video, we're gonna go ahead and do my window box. After finishing up the porch, I thought it was the perfect time to head inside and bake something warm and autumnal. There's just something about decorating for fall that makes me want to cozy up with a cup of coffee and a sweet treat. So today I'm making one of my favorites. It's a simple pumpkin spice loaf with a drizzle of vanilla glaze. It is so festive, it's delicious, and it makes my whole house smell like autumn. Well, friends, I surely hope that you enjoyed my video today as I decorated my front porch for the autumn season. Also made this delicious, delicious pumpkin bread. I just had a little bite. Oh my gosh. Starbucks, move over, because listen, this is so much better. So if you do make this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you started decorating for the autumn season, and if you decorate your front porch and your patio. But I always say when people pull up, it's really nice to have a welcome statement when you do decorate for the seasons, and it says, welcome, come on in, let's enjoy some cozy time together. So again, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I look forward to you joining me on my future videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you have subscribed. I'd love you to be a part of my Enhance the Seasons with Karen family, and also be sure to follow me over on Instagram as well. Love you, friends. Happy autumn, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.